Since Honda reintroduced the Passport nameplate in 2019, the two-row SUV has been placed in the middle of the smaller CR-V and larger three-row Pilot lineups. However, a big redesign is on the way for 2026, and Honda's recent tease of the upcoming 2026 Passport TrailSport provides a glimpse at the next-generation SUV. While the majority of the features are unknown, the TrailSport shot hints at more rugged style and signals that the entire Passport lineup may receive a much-needed injection of visual personality to help it break out of its long-standing reputation as the Pilot's mini-me. The new Passport will continue to have V6 engine, and Honda claims a torque-vectoring all-wheel drive system will be available. The Passport has numerous powerful competitors, including models such as the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Kia Sorento, making staying relevant in the two-row SUV sector a full-time job that the Passport appears to be taking seriously. The pricing of the 2026 Honda Passport is estimated to range from $45,000 to $51,000, depending on trim and options.